Okay, for this example, I'm going to show you how to multiply two binomials. Okay, so I have y cubed minus 5 times 2y cubed plus 4. So what we're going to do is use the distributive property, distributive law, to multiply this out. So we take the first term and we multiply it times each in the second. So right here, so you take y cubed and multiply it times 2y cubed, and then take y cubed again, multiply it times 4. So let me set that up. So we have y cubed times 2y cubed. Then we have the plus sign, plus. Then we have y cubed times 4. And then from there, we have to do the same thing for this minus 5. So we have this minus 5 times 2y cubed. So minus, so we'll do plus. Then minus 5 times 2y cubed. And then the minus 5. So plus, then minus 5. That's bringing down the sign now. See, brought down the sign. And I had brought down the sign before. Right there. See? Okay, so then minus 5 times the 4. Okay, so now let's simplify all this because this looks like a big mess. So now let's fix it. So now 2, do we have any coefficients for the 2? We have a little imaginary 1. So 2 times 1, that's just 2. I have a y cubed and a y cubed. Remember, that's y to the 6 because that's 3 plus 3. Okay? And then plus sign. 4 times imaginary 1 because there's nothing in front of the y. So that's 4. And there's nothing to combine with that y cubed, so we'll just bring that down. Plus. Then we have a negative 5 coefficients here now. Negative 5 times 2. That's a negative 10. Nothing to combine with that y cubed, so y cubed. And then we have, so plus, then we have negative 5 times 4. That's a minus 20. So let's simplify this too. Well, look, we have some like terms. We have a 4y cubed and we have a minus 10y cubed. So now we have our, we'll start with our 2y to the 6. There's nothing else to combine with it. Then we have our 4y cubed and our minus 10y cubed. So if I owe somebody $10 and I pay them back 4, I end up owing $6 or 6y cubed. And then positive and negative, let's make this simple. That's just a minus 20. So we end up with this response. We have 2y to the 6th power minus 6y cubed, or to the 3rd power, minus 20. Now that's how you multiply two binomials using the distributive property.